Today, dear listeners, we're embarking on a deeply personal yet profoundly significant journey, let's call it rebuilding voices. The journey of speech and swallowing recovery after a stroke. It's interesting, isn't it? When people think of stroke recovery, their minds often zoom in on physical therapy. But let me tell you, many folks also face significant hurdles when it comes to their ability to speak and swallow. Imagine, if you will, wanting to share your thoughts but feeling as though your voice is locked away.
Oh wow, that sounds really tough. Like how does the brain even manage something like that? It's all so fascinating. Is it kind of, an actual blockage or is it something else entirely?
That's an excellent question. Rather than a blockage, think of it as rebuilding neural pathways that have suffered damage. Picture your brain as a vast highway system. After a stroke, certain roads may be closed, meaning you have to discover alternative routes to reach your destination. In recovery, we focus on constructing these new pathways.
That's a really vivid picture. So you mean it's not just the physical muscles being affected, but also how our brains control them. That's, incredible.
Exactly. When we speak, it's like an intricate dance between our vocal cords, tongue, lips, and breath. All these parts need to harmonize beautifully. A stroke can throw that dance into chaos. This is where speech therapy plays a vital role. It's like a rehearsal to bring everyone back onto the same stage.
A rehearsal? That's, really interesting. I can picture a group of musicians, each with different instruments, but they all need to play the same tune. What sort of exercises do they actually do in speech therapy?
Spot on, you've nailed that analogy. In speech therapy, we conduct targeted exercises such as oral motor exercises. For instance, think about someone practicing to blow bubbles in a glass of water. It strengthens the muscles engaged in speech, while also improving pronunciation. It's playful, yet remarkably effective.
Bubbles, huh? That sounds kind of fun. But, what if someone struggles with the more fundamental aspects like swallowing? I can only imagine how frightening that must be, right?
Absolutely, it's a matter of serious concern. Imagine sitting at a lovely dinner table, eager to enjoy your meal, but suddenly swallowing becomes a monumental task. Many stroke survivors face dysphagia, which makes swallowing feel perilous, almost as if they're at risk of choking. Therefore, in therapy, we also focus on teaching safe swallowing techniques.
Oh wow, so it's not just about talking at all. That's, really eye-opening. What sort of strategies can caregivers employ to assist the patient at home?
Such a great point. Caregivers are indispensable. One effective technique is to promote slower, more deliberate communication. It's akin to having a gentle conversation next to a roaring waterfall. You might find yourself raising your voice to be heard, but in a calmer environment you can listen more effectively. It's all about nurturing a space where the patient feels secure to share without pressure.
Oh, I just love that. It's like finding peace amidst chaos, right? But what if someone picks up on these difficulties early on? Are there specific signs that indicate a need for therapy?
Fantastic insight. Yes, early intervention is crucial. Signs to look out for include slurred speech, difficulties in word recall, or hesitations while swallowing. If anyone notices these signs, reaching out for help quickly is vital. Because, just like fixing a leak, the sooner you take action, the less damage you have to handle.
Oh, totally. Just pondering about it, do strokes affect everyone the same way? I mean, are there specific demographics more prone to facing these speech and swallowing hurdles?
Very perceptive. Strokes impact individuals in diverse ways depending on factors such as age, stroke type, and recovery speed. However, generally speaking, the younger and more proactive someone is with rehabilitation, the better their chance of recovery. It's like a race, you want to be up and running as swiftly as possible.
A race, huh? That makes so much sense. And for anyone listening who is experiencing these issues, where should they turn for help?
An excellent question. If someone is grappling with these challenges, I strongly advocate reaching out to a specialized speech therapist. For example, Dr. Satyabrata Panigrahi at the Hope Center in Cuttack. Early therapy can truly be a game changer in one's recovery journey. It's like having the right map for the adventure we've been discussing.
Wow, thank you for such an enlightening chat today. I genuinely feel I've absorbed so much information. It really emphasizes how vital communication is in our lives, doesn't it?